Students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namita. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter number 3, number play of grade 6 mathematics, the new NCERT textbook, that is Ganitha Prakash. So we are going to talk about pretty palindromic patterns. Okay. So first let us understand what are these palindromic numbers or palindromes, right? So like if you see the numbers given over here, if you see this, observe this number 66, 848, 575, 97, 797, 1111. Now if you see these numbers carefully, you will understand that whether you read them from left to right or from right to left, they are same numbers, right? So such numbers are called as palindromes or palindromic numbers. Okay. Now here are some examples of all palindromes using 1, 2, 3. Right. So like 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2. Okay. There are more possibilities. So they have asked here, write all possible 3-digit palindromes using this same digits like 1, 2 and 3. So actually what is the technique of doing it? Like you have 3 digits. So 1, we start with 1. So we can write 1, 1, 1. That is one of them. Then start again with 1 and take the other number 1, 2, 1. Then again start with 1 and then take 1, 3, 1. So this is one series with 1. Now let us start with 2. So 1 is, you can write 2, 1, 2. Okay. Then 2, 2, 2. Then 2, 3, 2. This is the third possibility. Then we go with 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3 and 3, 3, 3. So if you go in a manner and follow some pattern, then you will get all the possible palindromes. Reverse and add palindromes. Now look at these additions. Try to figure out what is happening. So if we see the first addition given over here, just concentrate on this. 34, 43, 34 plus 43 gives 77. So what is done over here? 34. Here the reverse of 34 is given 43. So if we add them, we are getting 77, which is a palindrome. Now here second example is 29. Reverse is 92. If we add, we are getting 121, which is again a palindrome. Let us see the third example. 48. Reverse is 84. When we add, we are getting 132. So then we write the reverse of 132, that is 231. And after adding these two, you get the palindrome 363. Fourth example, 76. Add the reverse 67, you get 143. If you don't get a palindrome, again reverse it and add it. So 341, you are getting 484. Right? So when we start with a 2-digit number and add its reverse. So if you get a palindrome, stop it. Otherwise, repeat the steps and go on doing this till you get a palindrome. So this is a way of finding out palindromes and palindromic numbers, right? So it's a fun way of doing this. Now there is a question asked here. Are there numbers for which you do not reach a palindrome, right? So the answer is given at the end of this page. It is already written that the answer is yes. Like for 3-digit numbers, the answer is unknown. It is suspected that starting with 196, what is the answer? 196. This will never yield a palindrome. Okay. So that's given at the end of this page. You can refer that. So let us explore that will reversing and adding numbers repeatedly, starting with a 2-digit number, always give a palindrome. So let us try with few numbers. Like suppose I take 37. So I'm taking one or two examples. You can take your own example. So 37 is the number. The reverse is 73. If we add, we get 0, 1 carried. So this will be 11. It's not a palindrome. So let us reverse and add it. 0, 1, 1. Now if we add these two numbers, so this is 1, 2, 1. We got a palindrome. Now let us try with 35. So 35. So 53. We add it and we get 88. Okay. Let us try with 63. 63 plus 39. 63 plus 36. So this is 9. This is also 9. So you get a palindrome. We'll try one more. 47 plus 74. So 1 carried. So this becomes 121, which is a palindrome. So we saw some examples and we found all of them were palindrome. You can try with other numbers and come to a conclusion. Now here a puzzle is given. There are some hints given over here which we need to understand and find out the number. So let us read first one. I am a 5-digit number. So here 5 boxes are made. Units place, that is ones place, tens, thousands, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. It's a 5-digit number. Okay. Now it's an odd number. Right. So if this is an odd number, the ones place or the units place will have these digits. Right. So if I write those digits 1, 2, 1, 3, it's an odd number. So we will take all the odd numbers. 7, 8, 7 and 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers. Okay. Now let us read the third clue. So my T digit is double of my U digit. So this should be double of whatever we take here. Now these are the possibilities because it's an odd number. So if we take 9, double it, then it will be a 2-digit number. So 9 is cancelled. Okay, if we take 7, double of 7 is again a 2-digit number. So 14 is cancelled. Double of 5 is 10. So we cancel it. So we have two possibilities because double of 3 is 6 and double of 1 is 2. So these two are the possibilities. Now let us see further. My H digit is double of my T digit. So whatever is your ones place, its double is this place and that double is H. So if we take 3 here, double of 3 is 6, fine. But double of 6 will be 12. So that's not possible. So even 3 is cancelled. What is left is with 1. So let us write down this number 1. Double of 1 is 2 and double of 2 is 4. Now it's a palindrome. So again here it will be 2 and here it is 1. So 1, 2, 4, 2, 1 is the number, right? So we write the number over here with commas. It is 12,421. They have asked to write in words also. So we will write in words 12,421. So if any puzzle is asked, always go stepwise and think of all the possibilities and then come to a conclusion. The magic number of Kaprekar. So dear Kaprekar, he was a mathematics teacher in a government school in Devlali, that is Maharashtra. He liked to play with numbers very much and he found many beautiful patterns in numbers which were previously not known by any of the mathematicians. Now in 1949, he discovered a fascinating and magical phenomenon when playing with 4-digit numbers. So let us see what he discovered. So if you see, and try to follow these steps. Follow these steps and experience the magic for yourself. So what is the magic? Pick any 4-digit number having at least 2 different digits. Say 6382. Means 2 digits should be different. 2 can be same. So that's the rule that you need to take care of. So you are just see the steps. Take a 4-digit number. Make the largest number from these digits. Like, so if it is 6382, so 8632 will be the largest number. We give it a name as A. Number A. Okay. Then next step is make a smallest number out of the same digits. So here if we take the same example 6382, it will be 2368 will be the smallest number and we call it as B. Then what do? We subtract B from A and we call it as C. Means we find out the difference between the largest and the smallest number. And if you go on doing this, what will happen? That's the question. So here an example is given, like the number which I just showed you earlier. So 8632 minus 2368. The largest and the smallest number, you're getting 6264. Now, again take the same number and form the largest. So largest would be, greatest would be 6642. Smallest would be 2466. Find out the difference. So the difference is 4176. Now again make the largest out of it, 7641 minus 1467. So you get 676174. So here they have asked us to take a 4-digit number and try carrying out the same steps and let us see what happens. So suppose I take a number 1976, 1 year 1976. So if we form the largest number 9761 minus 1679. So the difference would be 8082. Now if we form the largest of this, so 8820 minus 0288. So here the difference is 8532. Now this is already 8532 is the greatest number. So 8532 minus 2358. If we subtract this, we get 6174. Wow, this is amazing. Now I have also made one video explaining all the steps. I'll put the link of that video. It's a very short video. So looking at the video, you'll understand it better, how to go about it. Okay. There is one more question based on this. Like it is, carry out the same steps for 3-digit number, right? What number will start repeating? So let us take just one example of this. So suppose we take a number 3639. Okay. So from the number 369, the largest number which will be formed will be 963 minus 369. So if we subtract both of them, we will get 594. Now if we arrange, the greatest number will be 954 minus 459. So here if you subtract, you get 495. This is one example. Let us stop here. We'll try one more number. Suppose it is 321. Let us take a smaller number. 321 minus 123. Okay, if we subtract this, we get 198. Now the largest number will be 981 and minus 189. If we subtract that, we will get 792. Now the largest number from this is 972 and minus 279. So the numbers we are getting is 6 9, 3. Now you are getting the same digits which the other example I took. Because I'll form a largest number, then I'll get 9, 6, 3 minus 3, 6, 9. So I'll get the same step here. And then doing it further, I again get 495, right? So what number is repeating? You can say here the number. Just change the color so that you remember. I have explored that it is 495, but then you can try with more numbers and decide that, find out whether it is really 495 or not. So we will continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.